A very good morning to all of you. I hope that you and your family are safe. Children, in the last GK class, I gave you some homework. I hope that you have completed homework properly. Now I am going to share the answer with you. Here is the homework. There are 8 classical dances of India. Identify to which state or area they belong using the help box. The first is Bharatnatyam. Bharatnatyam is belong to Tamil Nadu. Second is Odissi, belong to Odisha. Third is Kathak, belong to North India. Fourth one is Manipuri, belong to Manipur. Fifth one, Satriya, belong to Assam. Then Kathakali, Kerala. Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh. And Mohiniyattam, Kerala. I repeat once again. Bharatnatyam, Tamil Nadu. Odissi, Odisha. Kathak, North India. Manipuri, Manipur. Satriya, Assam. Kathakali, Kerala. Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh. Mohiniyattam, Kerala. Right? Now, sporting terms. Write the name of the sports with which these terms are associated using the help box. Here some sporting terms are given which is related to a particular games. Write the name of the sport in which they are associated. First is deuce. Deuce term is associated with tennis. So write tennis here. T E N N I S, tennis. Second is leg before wicket. Short form is LBW. So LBW is associated with the game. Yes, right answer, cricket. Right, CRICKET, cricket. Penhold. Penhold is associated with table tennis. Penhold is associated with table tennis. Right, table tennis. TABLE TENNIS, table tennis. Kick-off. Kick-off associated with football. Right, football. FOOTBALL. Drag flick. Drag flick is associated with hockey. HOCKEY, hockey. Jump serve. Jump serve is associated with the volleyball. VOLLEY, volley. BAL, ball. Backstroke. Backstroke is associated with swimming. SWIMMING. Uppercut is associated with boxing. BOXING, boxing. I repeat once again, match your answer. Deuce, tennis. Leg before wicket, cricket. Penhold, table tennis. Kick off, football. Drag flick, hockey. jump serve, volleyball, backstroke, swimming, uppercut, boxing. Right? Now question number B. Read the clues and tick the correct option. In a cricket, a ball that reaches the batsman without bouncing. In a cricket, a ball that reaches the batsman without bouncing. What is this ball is known as? This ball is known as full toss or googly. Answer is full toss. Tick full toss. The person who runs the last leg in a relay race. In the relay race, 4 persons are run one by one. So the last person who run is known as anchor. Tick anchor. In weightlifting, the rapid lifting of a particular weight from the floor to above the head in one moment. In the weightlifting, participant lift the weight in one shot above their head. This type of lifting is known as snatch. Another types of lifting is clean and jerk. In clean, right? Now move to the next chapter. Olympic Games. State whether these statements are true or false. Till date, India has never hosted the Olympic Games. True. Right? True. T. Right? T for true. The first modern Olympic Games took place in Paris in the year 1896. False. It took place in Athens. False. Tokyo will host the 2020 Summer Olympic Games. Right. True. Seoul was the first Asian city to host the Olympic Games. False. South Korea. Australia has hosted the Summer Olympic the most number of times. False. In 1980, the Summer Olympic Games were hosted in Moscow. Right. True. In 2016, the Olympic Games were held in Sao Paulo, Brazil. False. Athens has hosted the Summer Olympic Games twice. True. I repeat once again, match your answer. First is true, second is false, third is true, fourth is false, fifth is false, sixth true, seventh false, eighth true. In this way, we have completed 2 chapters. Now, chapter 6 is your homework. Do with yourself. Right? And chapter 7 is also his homework. Read the chapter and underline the main points. Thank you.